China is filled with many periods and marked by flourishing culture and civilization, others marked by competition and war. Mathematics in China emerged independently by the 11th century BC. The Chinese independently developed very large and negative numbers, decimals, a decimal system, a binary system, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. Chinese mathematics was defined by Chinese in ancient times as art of calculation.
The Chinese also discovered the concept of zero and invented a wide variety of mechanical aids like counting boards, besides writing numerous mathematics texts to assist them in mathematical calculation.
Shopei contains various modern mathematical principles such as working with fractions using a common denominator and proofs of many geometrical theories. The text contains an accurate process of division for finding out the square roots of numbers. The Shousheng. The Shousheng focuses on applied mathematics in engineering and administration and includes 9 distinct chapters on impartial taxation, engineering works, the surveying of land, etc. In total, 246 problem situations are presented, from those involving the payments of livestock, weights and measures, currency and tax collection, to the construction of canals and simultaneous linear equations.
Chinese counting words. The Sheng numerals were developed into a system and used on a basis on many mechanical aids or even computers, including a large variety of counting words. Indeed, the evolution and the development of counting word numerals continued about 3,000 years in China.
Let's warm up with some counting exercises using the abacus. The abacus is how many people for many years counted and added and did all sorts of math tricks before fancy calculators and computers came along. But to me, this is very fancy and very powerful and very easy. This abacus is called the soroban. It has heavenly beads on top here and earthly beads down here. The heavenly beads up here are worth 5 and down here only worth 1. We only count the beads if they're touching the bar in the middle or in the middle position close to the bar. These are columns, which we will learn more about later, but for now we look only at this column, which is the ones column, and this column, which is the tens column. It's very easy. Let's count up to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See? Now let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Easy. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There you go. All you need to know about the abacus.
The legend of Loshu. According to the legend, the mythological emperor Yu received a divine gift from a low river turtle. The gift was in form of diagrams called Loshu, which was believed that contained the principles of Chinese mathematics. One diagram, the magic square, was thought to possess magical qualities and led to the development of dualistic theory of yin and yang, where yin represents even numbers and yang represents odd numbers.
Those are the two mathematical. One of the two mathematical. Those are the two mathematical. one of the two mathematical, one of the, those are the two mathematical, one of the two mathematical, one of the mathematical, one of the